Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut offline in PC version. Let's get started. If you use this CapCut application on your Windows, currently I'm using Windows 11. You can use it offline, but you have to click on your file explorer, go to Drive C, and go to or click the users. Try to use a click the your user data. This is app data. If you don't see this folder, you can click view and show by click hidden items. So view, show hidden items. It will refill. The app data will be refilled. You can click it again and click the local. Try to search CapCut folder. This one. Click the CapCut folder and click the user data. And you can a click right click on this folder only by show more option and try to add to archive by WinRAR. So after you a make a rar of this folder, you can place it to another folder. So after that, you can open the CapCut a with internet connection first. After that, you can go offline by cut your connection and copy again this user data on this folder. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also the thanks button below. See you in the next video.